Hi guys, I just wanted to remind you of some of your tools that you've been using, some of your actions that you're doing so that you can properly complete this exercise 3.2, and one of them is subtracting and adding of integers. So I just want to go over that with you. So let's have a look. I want you to always imagine in your head that you've got zeros the ground, okay, and anything going up like that is 1, 2, 3. So we're going up the levels of on a lift, for instance, okay. If we go below the ground, we're going -1, -2, -3. I want you to picture that in your head. It's really important. Okay, so if the sum said -3 plus 2, so -3 means you're actually over here, plus means you're going to go up. So you're going to jump up 2 spaces, 1, 2, so you're going to land up on -1. Okay, so that's how I want you to picture it in your head. If you've got 5, take 7. So you're over here on 5. You've got to take, so you've got to go down. And you go right past there, and then you go down 2 more, and you would land up on -7. Do you see that? Because you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 0. 6, 7, I'll land up on -2. Okay, so just picture it like that in your head. Something else I want you to be aware of is, let me try and move this screen over, is if we've got 3 take -4. So if ever you come across something where you've got 2 signs next to each other, we can't have that. So we've got to change them. Well, a negative and a negative, I just always just change it into a positive. So that would be 7. Okay. If you had a sum like this, -2 take +6, can't have these two together. A positive and negative gives you a negative. So it'll be -2 take 6. So you're on -2, you're under the ground. You have to go down more because it's negative 6 places. So your answer is going to be -8. Okay. So those are adding and subtracting. All right. So adding and subtracting, you make sense of it, but you can't have any pluses and pluses next to each other, any signs next to each other, okay? Can't have any of that. All right. Now we're doing multiplication. Multiplication, we go -3 times 4. We look at it first. We've got a negative here, we've got a positive here. We know our answer has to be negative. 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, let's do another one. If we've got 2 times -6, we've got a negative here, we've got a positive over here, so that means it's going to be a negative. 2 times 6 we then do is 12. Okay, I'm going to give you the same answer. If we're dividing, let's just move this over. If we're dividing, the same way as timesing, so we're going to go -12 divided by 3, 12. So we say a negative and a positive gives me a negative, and then I go 12 divided by 3 is 4. Let's do another one. 14 divided by 7, and it's -7. So we've got a negative and a positive, so that means it's a negative. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, another thing to remember when you're doing this exercise is order of operations. So if you've got 2 plus 3 times 4, you start here and you go 3 times 4 is 7, and then you say 2 plus 7 equals 9. Okay, very important that you do your times and your divide first. Well, good luck. I hope you enjoy it.